I'm going to add the half cup of water and get everything together. It's going to be a very nice, smooth dough. It's a fun dough to work with. It's because it's I guess the margarine, there is a lot of margarine inside, and it makes it kind of soft and easy to work with. And here is our dough. It should feel very nice and smooth on the hand when it's ready. And as I said before, we're not going to wait for it to rise. We're going to start working with it right away. This is a little bit more like a cookie dough, because as you saw, it doesn't have sugar inside, and it doesn't have too much water inside. The amount of margarine makes it more like as I said, like a cookie dough, compared to the other flaky dough, which was more a yeast dough.